Hello, I have a new device. This is a DJI Mic Mini, and this device is a gift from my wife, who is supporting me a lot in my personal brand building. And today we will unbox this set and let's check what inside this box. Because mostly I will recorded my videos on iPhone, and for iPhone it's not enough to have just built-in microphone to record the proper audio. Video is pretty fine, but for audio I need some additional one device for much more quality for audio. So this is wireless microphone, and basically it's 10 grams per transmitter, high quality, and the connection for premium sound quality. Yep. And including this one, it's receiver, transmitters, cables, charging case. So let's unpack this box and check what's really included in this set. So this is a big plastic bag and different papers. I guess some instruction how to use, and maybe something else, some stickers. Yeah, it looks like what we have something inside this bag. Yeah, this is one, just stickers. Yeah, nothing special. Oops. And let's look what we have here, because this is the main bag. Unpack it and let's check. And we have a carrying patch. Yeah, very fine, premium quality, soft. And inside this one, I guess I have windskins for pieces, 2 per each transmitter. Let's check how it looks like. Yep, and this is gray and blue version. Yep, and we have like a plastic clips for each transmitter. And let's look what we have inside. And this is I guess the cables, charging and audio cable. Yeah, this small is audio cable for your camera. You can just connect directly to some camera. You just have this connection, and this is a USB-C charging cable. Yeah, with USB-A. And the charging case itself separately inside the plastic bag. Yep, pretty small. And what we have here is just press to unlock. Yep, but I guess I need to remove this sticker to press button. Yep. Okay, let's press and check. Looks like it's charging and active already. And this is one of the transmitters with pretty new and modern design. Small one. This is transmitter, not the big one. Exactly for my iPhone. And what we have here is like a USB-C adapter for mobile. Yep, and inside the case we have another slot for another adapter, for example lightning, what basically I need, because my phone just have a lightning connection. Let's put it back because I don't need it right now. Slot is very tight, so it's very hard or impossible to lost this adapter somewhere. Yeah, transmitter with clips and magnet connection. Yeah, we have two of them, and receiver just with indication what we have connection to both of our transmitters. Yeah, pretty visible and informative. And it's small one, yeah. Yeah, these two indicators for both transmitter show what is connected, what is not. This receiver itself, yep. Look nice, yeah. Not a big, not a small. With some indication of what you have a transmitter, connection with them, and connection for your camera. So what everything what is needed for this transmitter, what included is this one. Yeah, but it's a nice high quality. And this is your transmitter. Yeah, you can stick it with your magnet. It's pretty powerful. You can lost your microphone when you're running or jumping. So some button for connection, and yeah, they're pretty tight and powerful. Yeah, for this small transmitter is pretty enough. Yeah, modern design looks premium. In the upcoming videos I will check how it's working, and you can just check the quality of audio. Basically that's it. Thank you.